Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever thought about transitioning from being an Airbnb host to running your own inn? It's an intriguing proposition, isn't it? The freedom to create your own rules, the opportunity to build a unique brand, and the potential to increase your revenue. But let's not sugarcoat it. The journey from being an Airbnb host to becoming your own innkeeper is not a walk in the park. It's a shift that comes with its own set of challenges. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you enjoyed it. You'll need to handle bookings, manage your online presence, and most importantly, ensure your guests have a memorable stay. Yet, in an age where technology is reshaping every aspect of our lives, there's no reason to fear this transition. There are numerous apps and tools that can simplify these tasks, making your transition smoother and more manageable. In this video, we'll compare and contrast different apps and tools that can help you make this transition. Scene script. Transitioning from Airbnb to your own inn means you'll need a new way to manage bookings. Let's dive into the world of booking apps, shall we? There are a plethora of options out there, but today we'll focus on three popular ones: Innkeeper's Advantage, Cloudbeds, and Little Hotelier. First up, Innkeeper's Advantage. This one is a total package, offering not just a reservation system, but also a website builder and online marketing tools. It's a one-stop shop, perfect for those who like to have everything in one place. But do keep in mind, with all these features comes a slightly steeper learning curve. So, if you're not too tech-savvy, this might not be your first choice. Next, we have Cloudbeds. This is a cloud-based property management system that's great for both small and large inns. One of its main selling points is its user-friendly interface. It's intuitive and simple to use, even for those who aren't tech wizards. Plus, it integrates with over 200 travel agencies, widening your reach considerably. On the downside, it's a bit on the pricier side, so it might not be the best fit for everyone's budget. Lastly, let's talk about Little Hotelier. This one is designed specifically for small hotels and B&Bs, making it a good fit for those transitioning from Airbnb. It offers a simple, easy-to-use interface and comes with a channel manager that connects to major booking sites. However, while it's great for basics, it lacks some of the more advanced features that Innkeeper's Advantage and Cloudbeds offer. So, there you have it. 3 different booking apps, each with their own unique features, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Remember, the best app for you will depend on your specific needs, budget, and comfort level with technology. Take some time to explore these options. Try out their free trials if available, and see which one feels the most intuitive for you. The goal here is to find an app that will make managing your bookings a breeze, allowing you to focus on providing the best possible experience for your guests. Choosing the right app to manage bookings can streamline your operations and make the transition smoother. A strong online presence is key to attracting guests to your inn. The digital era has revolutionized the way we do business, and the hospitality sector is no exception. If you're looking to transition from being an Airbnb host to running your own inn, having a well-designed website is a necessity. Today we'll be discussing 3 popular website platforms: WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix. First up, we have WordPress. It's a robust platform that powers more than a third of the web, and for good reason. WordPress offers flexibility and customization that's hard to beat. If you're comfortable with a little bit of coding or willing to learn, you can create a truly unique website that stands out from the crowd. Plus, there are countless plugins available to extend your site's functionality. However, this customization can be a double-edged sword, as it might feel overwhelming to complete beginners. Next, we have Squarespace. Known for its visually stunning templates, Squarespace is a great choice if aesthetics are a high priority. It's user-friendly and doesn't require any coding knowledge. Plus, it has built-in features for things like online bookings and photo galleries. However, it's not as flexible as WordPress, and the number of features and integrations available is more limited. Lastly, there's Wix. This platform is incredibly beginner-friendly, with a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create a professional-looking website. It's got a good range of templates, and also offers the ability to add features like online bookings. However, once you've chosen a template, you can't change it without rebuilding your site from scratch, which can be a bit of a drawback. So, which platform is right for you? Well, it depends on your needs and your comfort level with technology. If you want complete control and are willing to put in the time to learn, WordPress could be a great fit. If you want something that's visually appealing and easy to use, consider Squarespace. And if you're a complete beginner, looking for ease of use above all else, Wix might be the way to go. A well-designed website can be a powerful tool for attracting guests and showcasing what your inn has to offer. Beyond bookings and websites, there are other tools and apps that can make running an inn easier. As an innkeeper, you will need to wear many hats. You will be the accountant, the cleaner, the receptionist, and the customer service agent, among other roles. However, there's a silver lining. The digital age has brought with it a plethora of tools and apps designed to simplify these tasks, freeing you to focus on what truly matters, creating a memorable experience for your guests. Let's start with managing your finances. One tool that has proven to be incredibly useful for small businesses is QuickBooks. With QuickBooks, you can track your income and expenses, send invoices, and even pay your employees. The beauty of QuickBooks is that it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you won't need to be a finance whiz to navigate it. Next, coordinating cleaning and maintenance can be a real challenge, especially if you have multiple rooms or properties. This is where Slack comes in. Originally designed for team communication, Slack can also be a game changer for coordinating tasks. You can create different channels for different areas of your inn and invite your cleaning and maintenance staff to join. You can then assign tasks, set reminders, and track progress all in one place. Then there's communication with guests. While email and phone calls are still important, many guests now prefer the convenience of instant messaging. Guesty is an app that allows you to manage all your guest communication in one place. It integrates with a variety of booking platforms and offers a unified inbox where you can receive and respond to messages from guests. It also allows you to automate responses to common inquiries, saving you valuable time. Lastly, don't forget the power of social media. Apps like Instagram and Facebook are not just for sharing holiday snaps. They can be powerful tools for showcasing your inn, sharing guest reviews, and engaging with your community. They can also be a great way to attract new guests. With the right tools, you can streamline your operations and ensure your inn runs smoothly. So don't be afraid to embrace technology. It might just be your best ally in your journey from Airbnb host to independent innkeeper. Transitioning from an Airbnb host to running your own inn can be a big step, but the right tools can make it easier. And that, my friends, is the crux of our discussion today. In the past few minutes, we've taken a deep dive into the world of apps, websites, and tools that can help streamline this transition. Let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've touched upon. Firstly, we discussed the importance of a robust booking system. We explored several apps that offer this functionality, each with its own unique advantages. Remember, a good booking system should not only be user-friendly for your guests, but also offer you, the innkeeper, a seamless way to manage reservations, cancellations, and other related tasks. It's all about making the booking process as smooth as possible for both you and your guests. But it's not just about managing bookings. To truly stand out as an innkeeper, you need to create a strong online presence. And that's where website platforms come into play. We discussed several platforms that are well suited for creating a compelling online home for your inn. Each of these platforms has its strengths, from user-friendly design interfaces to sophisticated SEO tools, and the choice ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential guests will have of your inn, so make it count. And of course, we can't forget about the multitude of other tools and apps that can make your life as an innkeeper easier. From managing finances to communicating with guests, these tools can help you streamline your operations and focus on what truly matters, creating a memorable experience for your guests. But let's not forget, while these tools and apps can certainly make the transition easier, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Running your own inn requires a blend of passion, dedication, and a keen eye for detail. It's about creating a space that feels like a home away from home for your guests, offering them a unique, personalized experience they won't find anywhere else. In essence, transitioning from an Airbnb host to running your own inn is not just about swapping out one set of tools for another. It's about embracing a new mindset, a new way of doing things. It's about stepping into the role of an innkeeper and creating a space that reflects your unique vision and passion. So, to wrap things up, Remember that while this transition may seem daunting, with the right tools and a bit of planning, it's entirely feasible. And who knows, you might just find that running your own inn is more rewarding than you ever imagined. With careful planning and the right tools, you can make the transition from Airbnb host to innkeeper and create a unique and successful business. And with that, we draw our discussion to a close. Here's to your future success as an innkeeper.